Wow, mine is really smashed.
It is really smashed.
Yeah. Let's do it. I hope in blood over it. We're gonna make it that smashed.
Good job. Good job, pastry chefs.
Okay. Mine's more smashed than yours.
It's very smashed. It's super smashed.
Okay. Can we have that stuff?
Okay. I'll put one for you and one for Leo, and then you could use the tool to smush it in there, okay?
Oh, I don't want to do it. Hold it.
Okay.
Mine. Okay.
Okay.
I smashed. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
Really? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I caught it much. Okay. No,
Oh no, that's it for now. We have to refrigerate the rest and then we smash
it's like Play-Doh. It's like Play-Doh.
it. Is. It's like cooking with Play-Doh.
You made some special Play-Doh for us. Can this be Play-Doh for
I'd
us?
like to make the dressing today because that's got a lot of steps to it.
You made some special Play-Doh for us. Okay. I like it. Now it's my turn with it. My turn with it, Leo. Help.